Hello and welcome to another episode of our Motovlog. I've just finished classes and as soon as I'm about to leave, it rained. It rained. I don't have any capote, I haven't bought anything. Like, what are they doing though? Is that something of a tribal dance, a yoga dance? I have no idea. But they seem to be practicing. Yep. And this rain. Damn it. It rain. It's still raining? Come on. If you're gonna rain, pull it all. Don't be shy. Still raining? Hello? Gonna buy one. Visit tong ulan na to, kung kailan pa uwi ka na, tsaka umulan. So the rain has just subsided, so I think it's safe to go. Alright, where do we want to go? Let's go ahead and try the Mcdonald's there at Savannah Park. So earlier, here's what happened going to school, by the way. Udon. What's up, dude? What's up there, fella? What's up? This is my friend Udon, who loves my gloves so much. Goodbye. Goodbye. What? Good morning, everybody. This is Two Wheel Adventure. This is my second motovlog. Yeah, second motovlog of the year. And on the channel, we're just gonna go to our school. A huge thanks, by the way, to J-Mac, Motovlogs, Daily Revs Manila, Weekend Rider, and I forgot the name. The one with the nose thingy. Is that ANC? Oh, ANC. Previously on ANC's The Walking Dead. ANC's The Walking Dead. EA Sports Cinegame. Again, EA Sports Cinegame. Anyway, we're gonna go for a drive-thru. Drive-thru. Drive-thru.
Good morning, my name is Mel. Can I take your order, please?
May yum burger kayo? May yum burger kayo?
Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, cheese egg and sausage on 10 pesos, sir. Thank you, last call.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Gosh, what time is it? Holy cow, I'm late. Freak. I'm so late. Freaking late. What? Do I go now or do I stop? There's no light or whatsoever.
Do it!
Do I go?
Just do it!
There's no go sign yet.
Just do it!
Okay, since that guy, I think it's a go. I think the green light is not working on that thing. So, people from the government, please do that thing. Okay? We're almost there. Hello? Previously on ANC's The Walking Dead. So I'm just gonna go home to get something, and then we're probably gonna go straight to Savannah Park to try out the McDonald's cafe there. We are gonna go to Savannah Park where McAfee. Is that your antivirus software?
Bruh.
Just kidding. McAfee. To put my legs up again because the road is wet. Some of you might be asking, why don't you just change like bottom, or, well, I don't want to. Come on, bus, get out of here. Oh, look, a swimming pool. Come on, lady. Can't you see that someone is behind you? Man, the roads here, it's dangerous when you drive here at night because there's no light. Just gonna go here. There it is! Wow, it looks beautiful. Wow, it looks freaking beautiful, man. So ganun, ayaw mo ko pagbigyan. Buti ka pa. Thank you. Look at that! Wow! This is by far the best looking McDo I've ever been. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. And there's a motorcycle parking, ladies and gentlemen. There's a freaking motorcycle parking over there. Man. Dude, you could do tumblings over here. You could dance, you could do whatever you want. It's a nice place. Yeah, I'll be on this motorcycle parking thing. May hamburger kayo. Where's the neutral? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Ah, so here's Udon. He's very cute. He's just a year and a half old.